Working with LaTeX package development and dealing with DTX source files, these contain LaTeX package source code with embedded documentation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these LaTeX documented source files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure DTX formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. A DTX file is a documented text source file, a core component of the LaTeX package distribution system. It uniquely combines a package's source code and its user documentation into a single file. Users, typically package developers, process this file to extract the runnable code and generate printable documentation. The DTX format is a plain text file structured with special comments and guards, embodying a literate programming approach. A separate ISINs installation file controls which parts of the DTX are extracted into the final package file, a design that promotes self-contained, well-documented, and distributable code. Generally, DTX files are associated with MikTeX developed by Christian Schenk. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows can open the file safely, but to run it, you need the appropriate scripting platform. Your key action: right-click the DTX file and select Open With. If MikTeX is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the DTX file opens successfully. If the DTX file won't open, don't panic. I'm going to explain the most common technical reasons behind the file failure before we use the one-click solution. First, opening in text editor. Open DTX files in any LaTeX editor like Texas Studio TextMaker or Visual Studio Code with LaTeX Workshop extension. The text format displays directly with syntax highlighting for both LaTeX commands and embedded documentation. Edit code and documentation simultaneously following the docstrip conventions for proper file generation later. Next, extracting package files. Use docstrip to extract clean LaTeX package files from DTX sources. Run LaTeX packagename.ins, where the INS file contains docstrip directives generating the package STY file from the DTX. The extraction process produces installable package files ready for use in LaTeX documents through the standard package loading mechanism. Finally, generating documentation. Run LaTeX or PDF LaTeX on the DTX file directly to generate formatted package documentation. The doc package processes the DTX producing professional documentation with code listings index and cross-references. Submit DTX with INS files to CTN for package publication, providing both source code and beautiful documentation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.